Imagine a little girl sitting among the first school desks, ready to answer any question from the teacher. I always wanted to excel, and my way was already somewhat traced. And at 27 years old, I was about to leave to be an engineer on an oil rig. But sometimes life programs can change all of a sudden. Without too much hesitation, I gave up my opportunity to take the helm of DELTHA PHARMA, a pharmaceutical company which was in a difficult situation. We were struggling to stay afloat. We got evicted from our offices, but I never lost heart. Therefore, I cut costs by working round the clock on financial statements. Every decision wore me out, but I never thought I wouldn't make it. With time, the suppliers began to trust me. However, the turnover was not high enough. Maybe it was too much for a young girl with so much theory in her head and little practice on her shoulders. But we know practice is done in the field. Therefore, I decided to recruit the best. A small team allowed me to conquer the place DELTHA PHARMA deserved, and results began to appear. Along the way, I was lucky to give birth to a daughter. Penelope, my greatest joy. With her, I have taken the challenge of being a mother and an entrepreneur who keeps thinking big. Too many people make use of synthetic vitamins and food supplements. They often lack of active ingredients or may cause damage to health. In DELTHA PHARMA, we want to change all of this. In our philosophy, there are essential principles of hygiene and safety, which are very rare even in our sector. From the clean room from which we start producing, to the packaging blisters that replace the jars in which you need to stick your fingers into, which we believe are far below our hygiene standards. One of the winning choices I made was to buy the active ingredients from a few selected companies, and each raw materials are of natural origin. My name is Francesca Accetti, chemical engineer and CEO of DELTHA PHARMA. Finally, everything is ready to get serious.